You've been doing SEO for your business for months or heck for years. What if I tell you that you have been doing it wrong? SEO shouldn't take years. If it is, you probably are lazy or doing it wrong. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how we are getting results for our clients in months, weeks, or even sometimes in a day. These are some of the results you could expect if you actually implement the stuff that I'm gonna talk about in this video, and these aren't some random stuff that I'm telling you. This is the exact blueprint that works. SEO is about two main stuff: content and backlinks. Business in general is about pace. If you're a lazy guy, you would have a hard time surviving in the industry, and that's an obvious stuff. If you speed up two core stuff of SEO I mentioned, you would do better than most of the people out there. Let's see how to do SEO for your business and do that really fast. So starting with the very first thing, that is content optimization. You can use tools like Page Optimizer Pro or Surfer SEO or any other tools out there in the market, but we use Page Optimizer Pro in our agency, and that's what I usually recommend. It's pretty damn easy, and really UI is really great, to be honest, about this tool. So you can use this tool. Nope, it's not sponsored at all, but yeah, this is what we use. So if you actually see right how it works, you put your keyword, for instance, HVAC company page Texas, then it gives you a content brief optimization score based on that specific URL that you have added over there, right? Then current word count and suggested word count, then paid sections that's recommended. So these are the details that you're gonna get. Then you have got searching the title, words or terms that you should include in your web page, then current usage and target range that you can see here, right? Same with page title. This is meta title, right? Search engine title, and this is page title. Or then it is subheadings, H2s, H3s, and all those stuff. Then it has main content entities and those sort of stuff. If you don't know what entity is, it's basically a bit of unique noun stuff like that. For instance, if you are in HVAC, right? Douglas, Texas, that's a city entity, right? Anything which is unique in its own, it's an entity. That's done simple, right? This is how the tool helps you get that. But if you want to do that yourself, you can do that too. Just go on Google, search for the keyword you want to rank for or you want to target, open all the 3 competitors who are ranking really well, and then go and check their headers, right? This is a pre-Chrome extension known as Site Checker. You can install that and it will give you most of the stuff that you need. The meta title that you need, you will need to see what these guys are doing, and then based on that create your own. You can just copy this, paste on ChatGPT or Claude AI, DeepSeek, whatever you want to use, and ask it to give it for your company. Same with description. It's pretty damn easy, and that's what I do. I give this to we have a GPT inbuilt in our agency, so we kind of use that. Then you have to check their headings, right? How many each one they have got, and how many H2 they have got, H3s, H4s, and same with other headings too, right? And based on the top 3 average, I would do that, right? If my top 3 average for H2 is 8 and mine is 2, I would add 6 more headings, right? Same with H3s and others. Then you have to check their H1, same with the other 2 competitors. See what's the common or mutual stuff in there, and based on that create your own. You can also copy that, paste it in the ChatGPT, say that, hey GPT, these are my 3 competitors, they have got these headings based on this is my company name, give me a name that has got all these keywords. Boom, you've got your stuff, right? Then there's a great stuff that is content relevance in this plugin, right? If you see, it shows you what's the text length, how many words this particular page has got, and what are some of the relevant terms they are using, right? If you see, these are a few of the words, and this is the percentage they have used, and this is a math. This math is really useful when you're actually optimizing your web page. This is the math that you have to kind of use, right? Service 2.32%, heating 1.82, HVAC 1.74, and stuff like that. Then you have got links. This is these are the external links they are pointing to. Then they have got internal links as well. You can just analyze it, how many internal links they have got, 186, which is pretty damn great. Then 3 external links based on the average. Again, you can come up with your number. Then you have got images. Their title attributes are missing, but you can do that yourself, right? Then this is structured data or schema. Schema is basically some sort of codes that you add for search engines to understand the page in a better manner, but it also helps you in rankings a bit. Indirectly, I would say, not directly, right? You can analyze that part, see what they're doing with schema, and do that better, right? I've got a great video on my channel discussing schema, so feel free to check that out if you need that, right? Then you have got page speed and the GSC insights as well. This is not shown obviously, But yeah, these are the stuff that you need to see, right? Once these are done, you are gonna see or check their backlink profile. You can use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Uber suggest for it, right? But what we are gonna see in this video is how you can get links for yourself, right? I've got a great video on my channel itself how you can do link outreach and whatnot. But in a nutshell, if you want to do that yourself, let me show you that. But before that, if you just want to buy that, you can buy this from this link. This is my service. Or if you have got pretty good budget, you can go to ranking10x.com, then services, and then link building or local link building service, right? I'll leave a link to this in the description too. But if you want to do that yourself, it's not that hard. It's just hard to vet those links because you have to make sure that the links that you're getting are worthy enough. How you have to get that? Just go on Google and first search for certain informational terms regarding your industry. For instance, how to DIY repair AC, right? And what I'll do is I'll scrape 30, 40, 50 websites for ranking for these terms, and I'll do the same stuff for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 keywords, right? And I'll scrape all those keywords, all those websites. Now we have got a great list of websites who are ranking for certain informational terms which are really relevant to our industry, and then we'll reach out to those sort of websites asking if they accept guest posts or not. Damn, it's pretty damn easy, right? That's how we do that. If in case you need to do this yourself, do it. But if it takes certain amount of time of yours, feel free to use our service. It's in the description. And yeah, that was it. If you kind of make sure that you're not being lazy doing this, if you have gone and if you have maintained certain pace, you will do better than most of the people out there. And yeah, that was it for today's one, guys. If you've got any other question, feel free to comment below. I'll see you in the next one. So then bye bye, have a great damn day.